Okay, it looks like I have to deviate from my regular scheduled programming. What I was gonna do, I was gonna be working on the crawler, the dozer. However, due to an almost sleepless night because of all the rain we've been having here in BC, well, it's not really because of the rain, it's because of the pump underneath the house uh, going on about every 5 minutes all night. I have to figure out why. Normally, I mean, with this much rain, you should hear it a few times in a day, maybe. Not every 5 minutes all night long. So, what I think is happening is all the way around the house, there's something called, I think it's called a perimeter drain. I'm not sure though. What I know about plumbing is very little. Crap flows downhill, payday's Friday. That's about all I know. Anyways, there should be a perimeter drain, and it would run around the foundation of the house, and all of the eaves trough drains, I believe, would be tied into that. So here's the eaves trough drain that I think is the main one where it takes off and it goes down into the ditch down below. If I remember right, about 15 years ago, I had a problem with it down at the ditch end. It got plugged up. So I'm going to see here if it is plugged up. Nice fish. Okay, this hole, it seems that it's all just drain rock. So I believe what they do is they must fill it right full of drain rock. The water goes down and leaches through the drain rock and into the pipe, which is down below. Because I know there is a pipe at the other end, unless I dreamt it. That could be too. So I guess the other end is where I gotta start. Okay, so this is where my memory tells me that pipe comes out. However, it's obviously, if it does come out here, it's gonna be completely buried because it's been years. So I'm gonna end up probably pretty much destroying it when I hit it with the Mini, which isn't a big deal because I mean, it's gonna break apart and I can just fix it, just cut her off and add on a new piece if need be. But I guess next thing I gotta do is see if there is a pipe in here somewhere, or if I can find it. Okay, my memory did serve me correctly. Pipe right here. This smashed up piece of big old pipe. The one that's completely full of crap. This might be a job for a hand shovel. Ew. Alright, I'll get the shovel in here and see if I can get this a little more opened up. One thing I don't like about these things is I always forget which end you're supposed to use. At least with the Mini X, it's connected and you can only use one end. Okay, I know water definitely wasn't flowing through this. Seems to be flowing out around it. Yeah, I wonder if I could get that Mini X in here without doing too much damage. I decided to put you down in the ditch with me. I'll see if I can later get you a closer shot at this. Water seeping out everywhere but the pipe. There's drain cloth around the pipe, and what there was it was sitting in a bed of gravel, well, rocks, and I guess just over time it can't last forever like that. The biggest problem here is also I don't want to lose too much of my road, so you see the big O is just on the end. It's white PVC. You see this right here? That's a big clump of dirt and roots. The pipe is absolutely full. Okay, I'm gonna try to grab onto this with the Mini and give it a pull. Okay, that was crazy. Look at this. Okay, it's been flowing out for a couple minutes now. That would be the reason the pump's coming on every 5 minutes. Now, I'm gonna have to do a little research and see what I can do to the end of this pipe to stop that from happening, but I'll show you before the end of this video how long that root ball thing is. It's amazing. Amazing that it would go all the way up the pipe like that. And it's got to be from that willow tree behind me. This is not my only video where I'm dealing with a war on roots. If you search back, you'll find that I have multiple videos where roots are a problem that I'm dealing with. And this stuff is like, it's like a rope. It's so solid. Okay, 15 to my foot. And another 8. 23 feet long. "23 feet of roots grew up the pipe." Wow. That's just crazy.